How to download voice message Discord in seconds. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps in order to do so. So what you may do is open up your Discord in your device, and once you open it up, head over to the message where the voice message is located. For example, I have this one right here. So once you locate it up, what you can do is you can hit Control plus Shift plus I, and this opens up on your screen. And you may just look out for this option called network. Once you are here in this interface, look out for this network option, and from here find the particular audio that you are looking for. So for example, if you're looking for this audio, find it up on this section, and once you find it up, the particular audio that you're looking for, basically head over, and so let's say this is the audio file. You can basically look out for this download option at the top, export, this one right here, and once you click on it, here you can save the file type and basically save it on your desired location on your computer, and that's it. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to download an audio, you can head over and follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.